Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel Bike Rider. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting new releases in the adventure bike world, the 2025 Royal Enfield Adventure 650. This bike takes everything we love about Royal Enfield and elevates it to a whole new level. So, let's dive in and see what makes this adventure bike stand out. Design and build quality. The 2025 Royal Enfield Adventure 650 brings a bold and robust design, built to handle the toughest terrains. With its rugged styling, high-mounted exhaust, and an upright riding stance, it looks ready to conquer anything. The frame is solid and durable, crafted to withstand the rigors of off-road riding, while the overall design is a perfect blend of classic Royal Enfield heritage and modern-day adventure biking needs. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Adventure 650 is a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering excellent torque and smooth power delivery. This engine produces around 47 horsepower, making it ideal for both on-road cruising and off-road challenges. The Adventure 650 is tuned to provide enough punch without overwhelming riders, giving you confidence whether you're on a dirt trail or the highway. Coupled with a 6-speed gearbox, this bike ensures a smooth riding experience, no matter where the journey takes you. Suspension and handling. For off-road prowess, Royal Enfield has equipped the Adventure 650 with long-travel suspension, perfect for absorbing bumps and rough terrain. The front features a 41mm telescopic fork, while the rear boasts twin shock absorbers, both offering excellent stability and comfort on uneven ground. The 21-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel combination ensure great grip and handling, whether you're tackling a rocky mountain trail or cruising down a smooth highway. Technology and features. The 2025 Adventure 650 isn't just about raw performance, it also brings in some cool tech features. The bike is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential riding info, including trip meters, fuel efficiency, and navigation. You'll also get dual-channel ABS, which provides extra control, especially when riding in slippery conditions. And for those who like to stay connected, there's Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair with your phone for hands-free calls and navigation prompts. Comfort and ergonomics. Long-distance riders will appreciate the Adventure 650's comfortable ergonomics. The seat is wide and plush, offering great support for extended rides. The handlebars are positioned to give you a relaxed, upright riding posture, which helps reduce fatigue. Additionally, the bike's windscreen is adjustable, offering protection from the wind on long highway journeys and helping you stay fresh during those epic adventure trips. Pricing and availability. So, when can you get your hands on the 2025 Royal Enfield Adventure 650? The bike is expected to hit showrooms in mid-2025, with prices starting around